Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to update software on your JBL Go 4 speaker. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, as a first step, you need to turn on your speaker and connect to your phone via Bluetooth. After this, you need to download application named JBL Portable. And after you download it, you would need to open it. After you open it, right here you can see your device. We need to click on it, go a little bit lower, and click on the product information. And right here on the tab About, you can see actual version of software, and if there's any available updates, you will see a notification like this. We need to click on it and click right here Update. And after this, we would need to wait some time until the update will download on your speaker. While the software is updating, you can hear your speaker turn off, turn on, and connect to your phone again. This is absolutely normal. After the software was updated, you can see a notification on your phone that the update was successful. And that was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.